It's Pomni, and today I'm tackling the ultimate kitchen challenge, cooking without setting off the smoke alarm. First up, let's get our ingredients ready, knife in hand. Let's chop these veggies. Wait, is that a carrot or a finger? Phew, still intact. Now we sizzle the pan. I smell trouble. Stay with me, folks. This is where it gets interesting. The pan's hotter than my mixtape, and the veggies are dancing like they're at a disco. But here comes the smoke. Quick, wave your arms like you're swatting invisible flies. Is it working? Maybe if I open a window, or two, or three? Okay, time for plan B. Fan the smoke away with this magazine. It's not exactly Martha Stewart, but it'll do, and voila, disaster averted. For now, remember, friends, the